Hello everyone and welcome to Master In. My name is Rodrigo Garcia and today you will learn how to create this info pop-up bubbles. I invite you to subscribe, like this video, activate the notifications and share. Let's begin. The first thing we will do is take a screenshot of the system we want to show. In this case, for copyright reasons, I will use PowerPoint as an example. You can use any program you want to use for your project. Duplicate the screenshot and align it to the center and in the middle. Insert as many shapes as you need for each menu you want to explain. For example, I'll insert 6 shapes to explain the title bar, main menu, tool ribbon, slideshow, work area, and notes. After inserting the shapes, select the duplicate image and then the shapes from the shape format and merge shapes menu select fragment. Always remember to select the image first and then the shapes to fragment to keep the cropped image visible. In this example, I am hitting the background image and showing you each cut. Since the images were cropped, when making the cuts, a cutout of the duplicate image will remain, which you must delete. Rename each image to easily identify them. Using the shortcut Ctrl+M, you can add a new slide for each info pop-up bubble you are going to create. In this example, I will create 6. Then, insert an action to each cropped image to link it to the corresponding slide. For example, I will link the title bar to the slide 2, the menu bar to the slide 3, and so on. From the first slide, copy the background image and paste it on every slide. Before pasting it, delete the unnecessary elements of every slide. By mistake, I copied all the elements, but are not necessary. Again, copy the background image only. Next, add a circle shape. Format it with the desired fill and contour colors. We will duplicate them as many times are required based on the number of menus you need. Place each duplicate close to each menu. Add a number to each. Copy bubble number 1 and paste it on the second slide. Resize and format it with the desired colors. In this example, I colored it blue, removed the outline, and added a solid shadow. Add the title and content. Repeat the process for each menu, making sure the formatted bubble is close to the related menu. Once you have added all the info pop-up bubbles, select all the slides, add the transition effect, morph, and change the transition time to 25 milliseconds. Let us test it. If you hover the pointer over each menu, the hand pointer is visible. The number only indicates the position of the area. If you click the button, the info pop-up bubble displays, but we still need to add the smooth inflating effect to them. In my example, I forgot to rename each menu. So, let me correct all of them. Now, what we need to do is add an action to each info pop-up bubble so that after reading the content, the user has to go back to the main menu, where the numbers are displayed, and select a new menu. To do this, select the info pop-up bubble from the first menu. Add the hyperlink action to go the first slide, and repeat the action for each pop-up bubble on each slide. Let's see how it goes. When you click each pop-up bubble, it takes you back to the main menu, allowing you to select a different option. To create the soft inflation effect, copy each pop-up bubble from each slide and paste them onto slide 1. You need to reduce the bubble size, remove the fill color, outline color, and text color. Make sure to place these copies near the related menu and repeat the process with each one. Also, remove the action of each copied bubble. Let's see how it looks. When you click the menu, it displays the bubble, but the text looks kind of weird when it displays. So let's go back to resize the text of each bubble and change the size to 1 point. From the first slide, select all the forms that represent the info bubbles. In this example, the bubbles are the first 6 shapes from the selection panel. Once selected, resize the font to 1 point from the home menu. Let's see how it looks. Now the effect is smooth and clear. When you click the bubble, it takes you back to the first slide that works as the main menu. The user can select any random option and read the info bubble. One last thing, let's restrict our presentation to the end user, so they cannot modify the content and need to click the buttons to navigate the presentation. Navigate to the menu slideshow, then select Setup Slideshow and browse at the kiosk. After that, save it as a PPSM file. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like the video, activate the alerts, and share. If you feel supportive, invite me a coffee, find the link in the description box, or follow the following QR code. It helps me to invest more time to create this project for you. Thanks, and see you the next time. Bye-bye.